Indian media friends. No? It's been a while since we had a press conference, so this is a very welcome. Before we started, I asked you if you want to discuss other things regarding INEC. Of course, I'm sure you want to do that, but also I'm sure you want to tawag namin sa industriya ng power, the flavor of the month topic. No? So, ito yung minention ni Presidente niya po BBM regarding systems law. So I'm sure all of us are very interested to know our position. With regards to the position, of course, in fact, I wrote the President in behalf of INEC as GM. I wrote the President a letter of support. No? Of course, being the electric cooperative of the province, or the home province of the President, todo suporta tayo sa call na yun. We understand that where he's coming from on that. Systems laws, just a backgrounder for everybody. Ito pong systems laws, ito po titignan po nyo sa inyong mga bill. Lalo na po unbundle po ang ating mga bill. Ibig sabihin, isa-isa pong mga charges doon nakalagay po. No? So may makikita po kayo dyan systems laws. In theory, ang systems laws, ito po yung mga nawawalang, the way we explain it, ito po, bumili po tayo ng 1 million kilowatt from Aboitiz and San Miguel. Dumaan po yun sa linya linya po ng NGCP at ng INEC at pumunta po yan sa inyong mga bahay-bahay. Yung po 1 million kilowatt na binili po natin, by the time nakapunta po, na-distribute po ng INEC or any electric cooperative in all the houses, in the aggregate of all the houses, yung 1 million po, naging 900,000 na lang po kilowatt. Ibig sabihin po, may 100,000 na nawala na kilowatt doon sa mga linya as it traveled from the supplier to the end user, which is our individual houses. Yung pagdaan po niya doon sa linya na yun, kung ano man po ang nangyari na hindi na bill yung 1 million dahil nawala yung sa linya, yung iba nanakaw through pilferage, at ang na-bill lang, ang na-charge lang dun sa mga bahay is 900,000. Yung 100,000 po na difference, yun po ang tinatawag na systems loss. No? Under the EPIRA law, ang systems loss po is pass on. Pass on po yan sa sa ating lahat, sa lahat ng mga consumers. So, we really support and understand the President when he said na parang hindi naman dapat or unfair na magbabayad tayong lahat for something na hindi naman tayo ang may kasalanan, because it's a matter of the infrastructure, yung mga linya, pagluma na, maraming nawawala doon. And also, kung mali ang operation, merong hindi natin nahuhuli lagi, maraming pilferage, maraming nanakaw, hindi nabibil ng maayos, diba? Hindi lang yung pilferage, kung minsan, on our end, mali ang pagbasa ng mga meter reader namin, and therefore, lugi yung na-charge ng INEC. All of that is systems law. So, that's technically operation. So, it is true rin naman, talaga naman, there's the law of physics also on that. I think the President knows that naman eh. Yun nga ang sinasabi ko doon sa mga kapwa ko GM. Kasi syempre, some of them reacted na hindi naman pwedeng zero ang systems loss, no? I think the President is quite aware naman of that technicality, no? But of course, the President is trying to bring up, I think what he's trying to do is make us all think about it and bring out the debate in terms of passing on something that wala namang kasalanan yung ating mga MCO. So I think maganda din yun in the sense na ngayon pinag-uusapan na yan. In fact, sa community ng mga GM, sa mga electric cooperative, yan talagang hot topic. Everybody has their own opinion of that, very strong opinion of that. But of course, like I said, I think I gave you a copy of my letter to the President. Total support po tayo in what the President is trying to say when he called for revisiting the law, the PIRA law, especially on the systems loss law. So, part of my report, for the information of everybody, dito po sa INEC, ang ating pong systems loss, when I started here in 2023, ang systems loss po natin is around 12%, no? That was in 2023. Right now, as we speak, last month, nasa na 8% na lang po ang systems loss natin, no? Ano po ang ginawa natin para gawin yan, para ma-achieve po yan? Of course,